Hey again, YouTube. It's Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with a specific video. It's talking about the Gecx Leasers that were former CSX engines. As you can see, I caught this yesterday or the other day on a northbound manifest train that was on NS. This is a CSX Leaser. It's in the XCSX paint with the original number, but it's just patched. GECX means GE Capital. So what the agreement is that CSX has sold off those engines and GE has bought them back as leasers. They've inspected them, made necessary repairs if needed, and they've been leasing them to different railroads. So you're seeing Dash 8Ws, you're seeing Dash 9Ws like this one, and that's what it's looking like right now. You're still going to see the original number with the original paint. The paint on this engine looks pretty good still from the 1990s, but you're still seeing some of these out there because you're going to be seeing these floating around. So just be surprised if you see one of these. This is the first CSX Lisa I have caught, and as you can see, he's still got the original GE stickers on the side of the locomotive, and it still looks decent in its Y&2. I was really surprised to get this, so don't be thrown off. You just have to look for a black paint stripe to the logos. That will tell you it is a leaser from GE. If there's no block marks on it, CSX still owns the unit. So that's the way to tell the difference in it, okay? Because this shot turned out pretty good. I thought I would do a little explanation on what these look like if you have not seen one. You've probably seen them in pictures, but I just wanted to do a little explanation on it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm Engineer Pat, and I'll see you next time.